Dili mo muagi sa mga immigration check, sa mga unsa din ha, even our luggage, sila tanan. A lot of people, assistants, were picking up our luggage and so forth. They just took our passports and had it stamped, blah, 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 like that. And so we went through. So my wife and I were surprised. Oh, what is this? What is it? And there was a big sign at the airport. Dr. and Mrs. Dio, please, this way. Doon na tayo mga Department of Tourism ng mga ladies. Utang tayo glay. Diri, dayon, pagi diri. Pagkabot dito, ma'am, diri ma'am, sir, diri ma'am. Kami, nataranta po po. Sa ganit taon ng punishment nga gihatag namo nga sayon Romano to simple Romana. You go through the immigrations. After immigrations, you go to your luggage, pick it up, declare it to customs, and out you go. But at that time, I said, where are we going? I was kind of confused. He said, sir, we were instructed, as per instruction from the Department of Tourism, that we will take you somewhere because you'll have snacks first before you would get out of the airport. And there's already a vehicle waiting outside for you. I said, wow, di mo na yung kalami. Magkakainiling masikat na kayo. Ginambog na po may kayo yung ang misis. Huwag ka dyan, kakaya ka naman. Sabi ko, ako nagyayabang lang naman paminsan-minsan lang ito di naman ito nangyayari araw-araw And so, that is very intoxicating, they said. Pride is very intoxicating. See? Nebuchadnezzar's story, you don't have time for that now. Hands on humility. And this